Hi everyone! This video is devoted to SDC Verifier functionality, which is all-in-one solution for structural design, FEA analysis, and verification according to standards. Our focus is on converting Eurocode3 Members Standard, which has been previously added, to its custom copy. Then, the custom standard will be stored to the library and also loaded from the library. Note that only custom standards can be added to the library. Well, what is the purpose of converting a built-in standard, which is a set of checks and items to perform calculations according to formulas and rules, to custom? Sometimes engineers need to add or customize the formulas in the checks and also adjust the inputs or integrate the outputs for their specific needs. So, this feature in our software allows that flexibility. Well, previously the model has been analyzed and BIM members have been recognized. To convert the standard to custom, execute right-click on the standard itself and select Convert to Custom. You may enter the relevant title and press OK. When expanding input, we can see the following components. Constants is a static value which can be used in checks with the help of alias. Standard type is a list of titles that can be used in classification or characteristic instead of numbers. SDC Verifier allows adding extra properties called characteristics to use them in standard check formulas. And there are 5 types of characteristics: fabrication type, manufacture method, fillet, section net area, and material type. Classification is an extra element characteristic that can be set over directions. Standard table is a 2-dimensional matrix of static values. Now, execute right-click on the custom copy of Eurocode3 members and select Store to Library. To the title, I'm adding Stored and pressing OK. The standard will be available in the library for next projects. In order to transfer a standard from the library, go to Standards section of the ribbon and expand Other, then select Load from Library. Select Store Custom Copy and press OK. We can see that in Standards section the custom copy appeared, and it can also be renamed by right-clicking on it and selecting Rename. All the standards are stored to the standard DB file that is located in SDC installation folder and libraries. Well, you can copy this library file to other machine and import necessary standards by selecting Standards DB file. So go to Settings and expand Edit Library and select Standard. Then, select Stored Custom Copy and press Import. In the library path, press Browse. Follow this path and select standards.db and press Open. Now select the necessary standards to be included into the local database of the standards and press OK. Again OK. That's pretty much it about importing and exporting custom standards. If you have any other questions on how to get started with SDC Verifier software, our online help on the website may come in handy, so go to Software, Online Help, Help for SDC Verifier. To check our tutorials, go to Resources, SDC Verifier Tutorials. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos to come. Also follow us on social media to receive updates first while keeping up with us. All necessary links are pinned in the comment section below.